The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a refreshing choice in the executive car category, offering a thrilling drive with its rear-wheel drive setup. Its lightweight aluminum structure enhances fuel efficiency and cornering agility, making it a standout against German rivals. Inside, the Giulia offers a sporty driving position with a 12.3-inch digital dash. While the interior quality has improved, it still lags behind competitors like the BMW 3 Series. The gearshift paddles are awkwardly positioned, but the layout remains intuitive. The Giulia excels in handling, with even the entry-level Sprint model providing a balanced ride. The Veloci trim includes a limited slip differential for better grip. Adaptive suspension on the Competizione trim enhances comfort, making it a joy on winding roads. Every Giulia features an 8.8-inch infotainment screen with both touch and rotary controls. While the graphics are basic, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are standard. The Veloce trim offers an optional 900-watt Harman Kardon sound system for audiophiles. Starting at £37,995, the Giulia is priced alongside the Mercedes C-Class. It lacks hybrid options, impacting company car appeal. Despite its stylish design and engaging drive, Alfa Romeo's reliability remains a concern, as noted in the 2022 What Car survey.